In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin on your Wix website. If you need someone else to help manage your site, whether that's updating content, handling settings, or working alongside you as a co-owner, Wix makes it pretty simple to send them an admin invitation. I will walk you through the process clearly so you can get it done without confusion. Start by logging into your Wix account. Once you are in, select the website you want to manage. This is important if you have more than one site in your account, because you want to make sure you are editing the correct one before sending access to anyone else. After opening the right website, go to the left side menu and scroll down until you see Settings. Click on that, then look for Roles and Permissions. This is the section where Wix lets you control who has access to your site and what level of control they'll have. Here is also another way to get to the same place. If you prefer, you can use the Site Actions drop-down menu on your dashboard and click Invite People directly from there. Either path works, so you can use whichever one feels faster or easier for you. Once you are in the right area, click the Invite Collaborators button. This will open the invitation form where you can add the person you want to give access to. Next, enter the email address of the person you want to invite. If you need to invite more than one person at the same time, you can do that by separating each email address with a comma. Just take a moment to double-check the addresses before moving on, because the invitation will be sent exactly as entered. After that, go to the Roles section and select Admin, also shown as Co-owner. This role gives the invited person full access to manage and edit the site, so only assign it to someone you trust. Since this permission level is very broad, it's a good idea to be certain they really need full control before you send the invite. When everything looks correct, click Send Invites. Wix will then email the invitation to the person you added. From there, the invited person needs to open the email and click Accept to join your site, until they either create a Wix account or log into an existing one and accept the invitation. Their status will appear as pending. So if you don't see them active right away, that's completely normal, and that's all to it. Thanks for watching.